Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about inheritance in Python. See, inheritance is a way of creating a new class for using details of existing class without modifying it. Means we are going to create one class and without modifying that methods we are going to use into another new class. That is called inheritance. A newly formed class is derived class and which is already existing class is a base class. It is like we can able to say like a parent and child relationship. When you want to like parent properties and child can able to access without any impact, right? That is called as a parent child relationship. There is a parent is there, you have n number of properties, variables, methods and everything. The child also having a different properties and functions or methods, but we need to access a parent methods without modifying and using for new class, which is child class. For class, it's a syntax. You can able to say this one: class, base class, and body of the base class, and class derived class, and we are going to use the base class in the derived class place to inherit it, and then we are going to use for body like this. See, when you are taking for Java, you can able to say like implement, and we are going to use some class and right inheriting to the those classes. Like that, the same format, but it is we are going to pass into this braces place. We are going to see a simple example. Copy this one. See, if you are going to see this one, there is a bird having three functions. Okay, in this function you can able to see like methods like initiating for first init and even second child class also initiating for init. But whenever you want to access for child class, sorry, parent class methods, everything first you have to initiate for super and init. Then what will happen, we can able to call it for this parent methods because we are inherited into a child class to accessing these methods. But if you are not using super, it will not call you that this all the things. You must call for super. Super is because it will initiate to accessing for parent methods. Okay. And then the same methods like who is this? The both are the same methods and run. Here is swim. Okay. Now we are going to use for creating a object of the class, that is this one. Ping. And we are going to who is this and swim and run. Okay, all three of methods we are going to call here, and here this method and as well as this one. And who is this we call it only one time. Okay, how it works we can able to see now. See here the bird is ready and begon is ready. You can able to see this bird is ready because it is initiated without calling also. You can able to call, it will call, and Pingon is ready. Okay, first both the two things, then now you can able to see who is this Pingon and swim faster and run faster. But we are modified and here you can able to go ahead and the top who is this means bird it is there, but here it is not come for bird, correct? It is a overloaded. For that it's like without modifying anything, but we are accessing that method into a different format of creation, changing any parent actions and all. We are going to use this one. Okay, this is all about for inheritance. I hope you understand this one. Please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.